Hey guys, it's Dominica Best Friends channel, and today I'm going to be opening a package I ordered, and I ordered 30 Mochi squishies because I really like them and I only have like 5 of them. So yeah, I'm super excited, and yeah, let's get on with the video. Guys, you don't know how excited I am. Okay, I opened it and ready. Oh my gosh. Hopefully I got a koala because it was randomized, but that's my favorite. Okay, so let's pour them out. Actually, never mind. I'm going to put these over here, and I'm going to pick one. The one dropped on the floor. Sorry, I didn't look at it though. So I'm just going to pick randomly. Okay, so this is our first one. Okay, there we go. This is a seal or a sea lion. And oh my gosh, it feels so good. I'm not really sure because it has a tail, I think. But I really like it. Next one. Oh, we got a pig. So I have one, but it's destroyed. So hey guys, look at the difference. Like, oh my gosh. Sorry, that's my Justice locker, if you know what that is. But yeah. So as you see, here's our second one. Okay, next one. Oh, we got a tiger. These are one of my favorites. The sweetest. Look at that little guy. And he's really soft. It'd be funny if I got a pink one because it's yellow, pink, yellow. And then we'll see what's next. It's a pink one. Okay, I think this is, what's the word? Elephant. Yep. The heck? Okay, well, next one. Oh, we got a bunny. One of my favorites is the bunny. Pick 2 so this video wouldn't be that long. 1, 2. Oh, so we got a snail and a duck. What's up? So here is the snail and here is the duck. So out of those 2, my favorite is the duck. Oh, so we got an elephant, I'm pretty sure. And I have no idea what this is. I'll try to figure it out. The 2, I have no idea what this is. So comment down below what you think this is. And at the end, do a purple heart so I know you're talking about this purple one. And here's the green elephant, and I really love it. My favorite out of these 2 is the elephant. Okay, next one. Well, I mean, not the last 2. Whoa, this scared me for a second. I think it's a fish and a dog. Here are the 2. These are one of my least favorites I've gotten, so yeah. My favorite, I think, is gonna be the fish. It's really funny. It's a seal and another elephant. I've been wanting a seal for so long. Look at this seal. It's a fat seal. It's so cute. And here's the elephant. I like it, but this one's definitely my favorite out of these 2. Whoops. Oh my gosh, this is cute. It's a little cat. And, I don't know. Guys, I was opening the purple cat and then I feel something on it. I thought it was like a bug or something. I freaked out. I wish I got that on camera, but it's just this. But here is the cat and here is, I don't know what it is, but my favorite's the cat. This one's really sticky. Well, I guess Mochi squishies are supposed to be too. Oh, is this like a polar bear? I think so, and an Arctic fox. Here are these two. My favorite is this one. I'm pretty sure it's a fat polar bear. So it's just gonna go with seal friend. Okay, next I'm gonna pick 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Oh, is this like a special edition? It's in this different bag, and I think it's a little chick. Oh, and llama/sheep. I have this one. Sorry about the lighting, probably. Here, let me move over to this side. But here is the cat. And I think it's a special edition because it's the only bag what came like that. The llama/sheep, I'm gonna call it a llama, but look, twinsies. And then a little chick. My favorite is probably the cat, but it would be this one if I hadn't had it. Okay, I'm gonna pick 3 more. 1, 2, 3. It's the koala, guys. Oh my gosh. I'm opening this one right now. So here it is. Oh my gosh. It's so cute. Okay, guys. I'm kind of terrified. Okay. Well, I guess we've got this bunny. Koala, like you saw. And this one, I also have this one, what's kind of destroyed. I got these 2 from my friends. So, yeah. My favorite is definitely the koala. 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, look at that little guy. And this one looks like a bear and a unicorn. So here are the 3. Here's the unicorn. It's my least favorite. Here's this bear and this other bear. I like unicorns, but just this one. This is my favorite. Like, definitely. It's so cute. Next, there's 4 left, so I'm just gonna throw those right here. What do we have? Whoa. What the? Oh, I think we have a bunny and a pig and a cat. Okay, guys, so here are the last 4. Here's the cat. It's really soft. I love that. The bunny, I'm pretty sure. The terrifying shark. And the pig. Okay, my favorite is probably either the pig or the cat. Even though I don't like cats, this one has the best texture, if that makes any sense. Okay, I counted them all, and I have all 30 here, and oh my gosh, guys, like what? And now I'm gonna pick 5 of my favorites. This is gonna be hard, but I'm gonna try. Lots more favorites, but I picked 5. But I found a winner here, and it is the seal. I just love the seal. And comes along her friend. I think it's a polar bear. Oh wait, I forgot about the koala. So this is one of my favorites. So are those 2 I just showed you. The bunny. You can see it. Sorry about the light in the back. Let me try to block it. And then this little tiger and this bear. Yep, that was 6, sorry. Got to the end. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.